Hello, it's a master number 22. Don't have the key for it. I will show you my way to open them. Pretty easy, just there are many ways. Doesn't want, it seems. So we'll get it to the next level. Twisting. So I will try to twist it off. My vise. This is swivel vise, so it moves. I will just tighten it up quite a bit. Now I'm going to try to twist it off. The body flexes like crazy. You know what? I will get some leverage. What I have. I don't want to break my pliers. So what can I do? I will try a crowbar. Going to work. Try a crowbar there, maybe this end. Maybe this way. It's coming guys. There we go. They just broke into it. It's open. Probably it flex a little bit. There we go. It's probably open. Took what? 3 minutes with the wrong tool, but if I use the right tool, it may be. They are just 18-inch bolt cutters. We'll try that. I'm 17 years old, so just know I'm not a guy. I weigh about 140 pounds. There we go. With these small bolt cutters, they are pretty fucked already, and I can do it again. So for you, I don't think it's hardened. And it's still the same master lock number 22. So piece of junk, guys. It's terrible. I will try to chisel the rivets off just to see. I don't know if you can quite make that out. I will set that here. The rivets are not. The rivets aren't hardened either. But the only thing I see for this lock is the favorite Steve way to get into things, to stick a flat screwdriver inside of there and bang on it and try to turn it. It won't work. It's a warded lock. It's the only good thing about it. It will just keep spinning. Doesn't matter what you do. But it's quite a flex lock. Just put a good lick here. Just to show you. It's all shut up, flattened out. It's a piece of fucking junk. Guys, that I will not lock an electric box with that. It's, you know what? Piece of junk. Thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.